friends, Namaskara, Ram Ram, Vanakkam. Welcome to Free Time. In this video, I'll show you the best experience of Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls, also spelled Abbey Falls and Abbey Falls, is a wonderful falls in Kodagu district in Western Ghats of Karnataka. It is even known as Kashmir of Karnataka. It's just 8 kilometers away from Madikeri, 122 kilometers from Mysore, 268 kilometers from Bangalore. In this video, we'll explore how to reach and the total expenses. The roads have a beautiful nature side by which gives you the best feel. Roads are in great shape, so the ride is super easy. You can rent two-wheeler at just 600 per day. The entry fee for Abbey Falls is 10 per person. The waterfalls is on the early reaches of River Kaveri, located between private coffee plantations with coffee bushes and spice estates, and trees with pepper vines. Abbey Falls is best experienced in October, just after the monsoon season, when the cascades are full and majestic but safe to enjoy. Surrounded by lush coffee plantations, the falls offers a breathtaking view without the overwhelming rush of monsoon waters.